Hi guys, welcome back. Subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon to turn on the notifications so that you won't miss any of my videos in the future. Today, I'm going to share with you all a hair growth recipe that is super effective for hair growth and to control dandruff. For this, you will need some curry leaves. Curry leaves are a rich source of beta-carotene and proteins, which can reduce hair loss and increase hair growth. They also contain amino acids and antioxidants which strengthen the hair follicles and moisture the scalp. Curry leaves also help remove the dead hair follicles, which can be the reason behind dandruff. Wash the curry leaves very well and set it aside. Second, you will need 2 tea bags. Any tea bags will do the job. Place the tea bags in a cup of hot water and pour it into the bowl with curry leaves. Now, let it brew for 10 minutes or until it's cooled completely. After it is cooled completely, blend it all together in a blender. Now, strain it using a tea strainer. Next, you will need some herbal mehendi, or you can even call it henna. Take approximately 4 to 5 tablespoons of herbal mehendi, or according to your hair length. Now, add little by little of curry leaf mixture into the mehendi and mix very well. Mix well into a lump-free smooth consistency. Don't make it too liquidy or too thick. Just the right consistency, as you can see here. Now, let the mehendi sit aside for minimum 1 hour to overnight if you have time, or else you can use it even after 1 hour. The more you let it sit, the more effective it's gonna be. I'm going to let it sit for around 3 hours. I'll come back after 3 hours. Hi guys, yeah, I'm back after 3 hours and you can see that the mehendi have become a little darker. Yes, that's how it should look like. Okay, so now let me show you guys how to apply this. So first and foremost, I'm going to apply some vasilline on my hairline and ears to prevent the mehendi from staining my skin. By the way guys, this recipe will stain your hair if you have like brown or light hair. But if you have naturally black hair, then the color won't show much. Okay, so now make sure that your hair is tangle free. Apply the mehendi section by section, starting from the roots to the ends of your hair as shown in the video. If you have anybody to help you at home, then that will be really nice. The natural properties of mehendi help promote hair growth quickly and very effectively. Mehendi or henna directly affects the scalp, assisting in improving follicle health. This helps curb hair fall and also prevents and corrects hair thinning. Henna helps remove excess grease and dirt from your scalp, including dandruff. Using mehendi regularly onto your hair not only cures dandruff problems, it also prevents them from coming back. Henna has natural antifungal and antimicrobial properties that work to cool and soothe your scalp, controlling scalp itchiness in the process. After applying the henna or mehendi, let it sit for a minimum of 1 hour before washing it off. If you don't mind getting your hair a little bit stained, then let it stay for 3 to 4 hours before washing it off. you don't want your hair to show the stain at all, then just wait for 1 hour and then wash it off. The color won't show much. This remedy is very effective in hair growth and also removing dandruff. You can wipe off any excess henna left over on the skin using a wet tissue because you don't want to stain your skin. I hope you all will try this remedy at home, especially now that you have so much time at home during this lockdown. This is how my hair looked after washing and drying my hair completely. My hair was colored even before applying henna, so keep that in mind, guys. Henna won't give you this much color. It only enhances your natural hair color. Henna makes your hair extremely smooth and shiny. I hope you guys will try this at home and let me know in the comments down below how it came out. Okay guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please give a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and family and subscribe if you haven't already. That's it. Thank you guys. Bye. Love you.